My brother-in-law and myself started the company back in 2006. We started just out of my parents' garage, myself installing, Blaine doing the sales, started doing a lot of installs, got a little bit bigger, started bringing more family into the business.
It has been such a blessing over the past 17 years. I can't imagine our lives without SYNLawn. Just seeing the growth in our company from our parents' garage to now our warehouse and our showroom and our crews and over 52 employees, it's just been quite amazing to see the growth.
We're supported so well by the corporate office. Anytime we have a problem, we have anything going on, they're there to support us. And I think that's really helped us to grow over the years.
It's been amazing to be able to lean on corporate or lean on fellow distributors. And it's so rewarding to be able to get the advice from others that have done this, that have, those projects under their belt.
And now, after 17 years, hopefully we're able to help other people out and help their business grow. And that's just a wonderful feeling.
The thing that separates SYNLawn from local competition is us being 100% integrated. So from the manufacturing to the sales to the installation to the warranting. Working with all the crews is a lot of fun just because all the different guys have such different personalities. They all take pride in what they do, but it is fun to kind of go out to the job sites and see them and interact with them and just let them know how important they are as a part of this business.
We have a real family feel here at SYNLawn Central California. We do have quite a bit of our own family, along with friends that we've had over the years who now work for SYNLawn.
Everything changes up daily, so you don't know what you're going to get from day to day, which is fun for me. I like to juggle. I raise 3 boys, and so working with the young guys here in the office, it's like working with family. It's like working with my sons almost. I've been so lucky to come to work for SYNLawn.
I started installing and trying to learn in the trade, and then moved my way up, and now I'm the project supervisor. I love my job. I love coming to work, seeing everybody. It's like a family here, so we all have each other's backs, and there's nothing I could see myself doing other than this.
I started off with the company as an install, and then I moved my way up to a driver, then a crew lead, and now I'm the warehouse manager. I enjoy working with all crews, working with the office. It feels amazing, actually. It doesn't feel like work.
I really love the customer service aspect of our business. Everybody here knows that that is our #1 priority, is customer service.
There's nothing more fulfilling than going into their home when the job is done and just seeing how happy and excited they are about their new lawn.
It's been great that we are family owned and operated here. With the flexibility that we have with our children, I can run and grab them from school, or we can bring them here. They do homework, and everybody here is just so very welcoming to them. It's just been a great experience for us, and it fits our family very, very well.
The industry right now is just growing in leaps and bounds. It just is such a great environment that my husband asked me when I want to retire, and I don't. I want to keep staying on as long as they'll have me. I'm sure one of the grandkids eventually will butt me out and come in and take my position over, but it is just such a wonderful organization to be involved with. It is just a direction that I am so glad our family took years ago.